Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and in today's video, I'm going to be explaining how much money do UGC accessory creators make. Alright, and if you don't know what this is, I'll explain in a second here. Alright, so first things first, what is a UGC creator, okay, and what is a UGC item? So just in case you don't know, it basically, UGC stands for user-generated content, right, and basically it's an item that it's like an accessory, right, that you can wear on your Roblox avatar, alright? So as you can see, here's some examples of that right here. These are different items. As you can see, though, they're not made by Roblox, right? They're made by different people. This one's Azria, Beism, Earthria, Maple Stick, blah, 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 blah. So yeah, they're not made by Roblox. Anyways, so people make a lot of money from these items, right? People can make a lot because people buy them, and then, you know, they get Robux in return, right? Obviously, they get a certain percentage of the sale. So if a lot of people buy them, they make a lot of money. Alright, so if you're wondering how much money they actually make, that's what I'm going to be explaining in today's video, okay? I'm going to be explaining all, I'm going to break it all down for you guys. It's a lot, that's all I'm going to say, but yeah. Also, if you're wondering how you actually make the items themselves, or like upload the items, or how do you, get permission to do that, I'll explain that toward the end of the video as well. So yeah, be sure to watch for that. Anyways, let's get started. Alright, so first things first, how do you actually check how much money they make? Alright, so it's pretty simple. You just use a Chrome extension, right? It'll show you the amount of sales they got, and then you just multiply the price by the sales, which gives you the total amount of money, right? Obviously, the plugin does that for you, though, because it's pretty simple. Now, let me just say, guys, it's a lot of money, so prepare to be shocked, alright? So I'm on my browser right here, as you can see. I'm on my my alt on Google Chrome, and I have the plugin, okay, as you can see here. If you guys don't know, by the way, UGC items actually take 70% sales tax, okay, so you only get 30% of the sale. So yeah, yeah. Also, yeah, so it's different from game passes, right? Because game passes, you sell for 100 Robux, you get 70 Robux. UGC items, you sell for 100 Robux, you get 30 Robux. So yeah, hope that makes sense. Anyways, I already have the plugin to do that for you guys, so don't worry. But I was just letting you guys know in case you didn't. Alright, so how you check UGC items is you go to the avatar shop, or whatever you want to call it, right? And then you go ahead and hit featured, and then go to community creations, okay? And basically these are obviously made by the community. So as you can see here, there are some pretty cool items. I'm sure a lot of you probably wear some of these items, right? I don't know which ones you wear, but I'm sure some of you wear some of them. So yeah, if you want to actually check how much money they make, though, you just click on the item, okay? And then as you can see here, it tells you how many sales they got, alright? And here you go, boys. This off just this item, okay? Oh, by the way, this is a YouTuber actually. I know her. She's pretty cool. But this is a YouTuber, okay? And off just this item, okay, she made 17 million Robux, dude. That's awesome. I mean, that's pretty crazy, right? Or $62,000, right? If you guys don't know, you can sell your Robux back to Roblox for real life money. It's called the DevX program, or the Developer Exchange, right? Basically it gives the creators an incentive to actually make stuff on the platform because they can earn real life money for that, So yeah, the Dev Exchange, or the Developer Exchange, is pretty cool. So you can make real money. People do make real money. I mean, like, this is legit, right? I mean, I've made real money with this too. So yeah. But anyways, so that's pretty cool, right? Now, that's not even the most popular item. The most popular item, I'm pretty sure, is the evil side item right here. This one, I'm sure some of you've seen that. I'm sure you have seen this. It's literally the most popular item probably on Roblox right now. But as you can see here, sales 22 million sales, or 22 million Robux worth of sales, and then obviously if you DevX that would be worth 78,000. So that's pretty cool. I mean, for one item, dude, that's crazy. That's crazy, right? And as you can see, a lot of people made some other similar items. There's my item right there. All right, I don't wear it myself, but it's a cool item. Go buy it. Yeah. Also, yeah, so you may be wondering, okay, so like how much money can you check like total how much money they made off all their items? There's really no way to check, to be honest. Like, I mean, you could, like, here, I'll show you. So actually, like, you can go ahead and check like this. You can then see like all the items that are made by people, okay? So I have this little link right here, and if I actually just put my username or anyone's username right there, as you can see, it'll show me all the items that I've made, right? So I've made the sad side item, and then this wavy here that I wear, right? But yeah, so it'll show you all the items that were made, right? Or so, not all the items are made. Yeah, all the items that are made by that person. Okay, so what you can do actually is you can put anyone's name in there. So for example, let's just do Maple Stick, and as you can see, they have quite a bit of items, a lot of items, man. Holy crap, pages of items, literally. I mean, this is insane. So yeah, they have a lot of items, as you can see, and you may be wondering why I have so few, and I'll explain that towards the end of the video as well. That's a different reason, but yeah. Anyways, they make a lot of money with UGC, very successful. Now, how much exactly do they make? Honestly, guys, there's really no way to know. I would estimate dude, I don't know, bro. I would estimate like maybe Maple Stick himself, probably like $1 million. I would say, but there's really no way to know. If you want to add it all up, you can. It would take you a little while, but you can if you want to. As you can see, he has multiple successful items. Like, he did really good with this. But yeah. Anyways, so let's go ahead and move on to the next slide, though. Okay, that's just a few people. Now, how do they make? Do they make real life money? I explained that already. Yes, there's a developer exchange program, which you can basically give your Robux back to Roblox, and they'll give you money in return. Right, stabilizes their Robux economy. So yeah. Anyways, also I personally have made some money from UGC, and I'll explain that in a second. All right. So am I in the UGC program? Okay. Slightly. All right. I'm not in all the way, but I am in the Roblox YouTuber Star program, right? And that allows me to upload like 1 item per month to the catalog. Okay. And actual UGC creators, though, they get a lot more than I do. They get like 5 per week or something like that. I'm pretty sure they can upload a lot of items, right? But I can upload 1 per month. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you. Or let's go to the next slide. All right, so there's something I was gonna say I forgot though. But yeah, so yeah, either the most successful person when UGC is either Maple Stick or Beism. This person, oh wait, what am I doing? Or Beism. They made like as you can see, all these hairs right here, right? These are the most popular hairs on Roblox right now. Probably like they get so many sales. If you added it all up, you'd see, but it's just a lot, you know. But yeah, so probably this person or Maple Stick, one or the other. But yeah, they have a lot of items too. All right. Anyways, so yeah. Okay, so a lot of people ask me this question as well. They're like, how much money do you make from Roblox, or like how much money do you make from UGC? And you know, I'm a pretty transparent guy. I'll tell you, I don't really care. Let me open up my Roblox right now. And okay, so as you can see here, I have my browser. Okay, and right now I have 1 million Robux. Nothing too much, but from UGC, I've made probably about, I don't know, like 4.5 million. I'm gonna go ahead and go to my summary right here, and then we'll do past a year. Yeah, 4.6 million about. So I've already DevExed a lot of it. Well, not a lot of it. I actually got a lot of it. What am I saying? So if you go to my transactions, developer exchange, as you can see, I DevExed 2.9 million. So yeah. Yeah, that's how much I make. I mean, this is just from 2 items, by the way. Like you know, the thing is, like, a lot of people think, right, like, they're like, okay, if you're in the UGC program, you're like set, right? It's super easy. It's like a guaranteed free money. And although it is kind of like that, you need to have good ideas, right? There's a lot of people in the program who haven't made any money, right? Well, they've made some, obviously, but they haven't made a lot, right? Because a lot of people just have bad ideas. That's the truth. I mean, like, I put a lot of work into trying to find good ideas and stuff like that. So yeah. Anyways, so next slide. All right, so can anyone create a UGC item? Probably what you're wondering. Can you go out and just upload one right now? Okay. You can go make one if you wanted to, obviously, but you can't upload it. All right. Now, if you want to be able to upload it, you actually need to be accepted by Roblox. All right, like, or approved. All right. Now, how do you actually get into that program? How do you get accepted by Roblox? Like, is there an application you fill out or something like that? Unfortunately, not. Okay. There is no application at the moment. Right. Roblox has said though that they do want to make it public to everyone one day. And I'm gonna be real with you guys. I can't really say much about this, but I mean, I don't know anything else, honestly. What am I saying? But if I were to guess, I don't know. I mean, I guess it might happen one day, but I honestly don't see it happen anytime soon, because like it would be so crazy. You know what I mean? Like, if everyone had it, I think it would be way too hectic. You know what I mean? And I don't know. I mean, it might happen one day. Who knows? But I mean, they say it does, but I don't know, man. But that's just a guess. I'm just spitting out a rumor, honestly. I don't know. But anyways. So yeah, okay, but anyways, for the time being though, how do you actually get in, right? So there's no like specific like way, you know, like I said, no application process, but there people are still getting in each month. I know someone who just got in. I know another person who just got in. I know people who are still getting in each month. Okay, so there's still accepting people, right? But how do you actually get in? All right, so basically to get in the program, it's a lot more in depth of a process, right? You need to be basically like recommended people, and then Roblox needs to find you, a lot of stuff. Okay, I'm gonna make a whole video on how to get in. I want to make an entire video on how I think you could get in, well, what's the best way to get in the program, all that stuff. If you want to see that, make sure to subscribe right now. Okay, I want to make a video on that. It's gonna be a bit more in depth, and I'll explain basically the exact strategy I know people have used and what I would do if I was trying to get in the program. Okay, because I'm telling you, like, this is how you would get in. So yeah, if you want to see that, that'll be coming out in like a couple of days, so subscribe for that, and you'll see that. Anyways, that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. That's how you actually get into the program, all right? Or not get into the program, what am I saying? That's how you actually check how much money they make. They made a lot, all right? Like I said, I'm not going to add it all up. It would just be tedious. But if you wanted to, you could. It's a lot of money, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much it though, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you do, like always, make sure to smash the like button, okay? And subscribe for more videos, more Roblox game development videos like this one. Like I said, if you want to see how to actually get in the program, I'll make a video on that very, very soon. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and peace.